dog. Oh, no problem. A little bit of line. We found what looks to be a pelvis with a... And there's a bit of a storm a-brewing!
That's a nice one, holy crap.
We're gonna have our first shore lunch here. Hey, Bear. Okay, folks, it's the morning of day 3. I just got up a few minutes ago, but Ron was up about 2 hours before me. I was a little worried though. I thought it was a bear puttering around our camp looking for food. It's nice and sunny out today, a big change of weather from yesterday. We were kind of cold last night. My boots are still kind of soaked. Our stuff's still kind of wet, so we welcome the sun. Ron was trying to figure out his air mattress. He was explain it, Ron.
Bit of a leak last night. She flattened right out. Put it in the water, couldn't find any bubbles, so I'm thinking maybe I didn't have the lid on tight enough. But we'll see tonight, I guess.
Yeah. A little windy last night too. We didn't film too much at the end of the day because the portage just got rather tough. So
all right.
We were a little worried we weren't going to make it through. A lot of blown down trees and things in our way, but we made it through and now we're pushing on. So we're hoping, though, we saw a little paint on one of the rocks, so we're hoping people have been through here, so the portages will be a little bit better and not as impromptu.
All right.
Cheers. We're just starting day 3. Day 2 was quite a bit tougher than the first day. We had some really tough portages and we had to get around those sticks. So we're hoping to make up some ground today. We got the beautiful sun out. The water seems pretty calm, not too windy, so we should be able to make some good ground today. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Okay, we're at our first official portage of the day. We had to do a bit of a carry at the other one, get everything out of the canoe. But kind of a mucky landing on this one.
Loon shit landing.
But it's a beautiful day out though.
Oh, it's the best day so far, really.
Can't complain about the weather.
Perfect.
No smoke in the air either. Beautiful clear skies. Couple clouds.
We're going right up that hill.
Right up there. Or up there.
Yeah.
A big grasshopper, but it's a little grasshopper piggyback. I've never seen that before. It's portaging that other grasshopper.
It's a nice one.
You want to jump on my back, Ronald?
Yeah, okay.
Carry you up the hill?
All right.
Yeah, not a bad portage, pretty well maintained.
Oh, that was good.
Got some fresh saw marks there and even some sawdust, so somebody's been through here.
Someone's just ahead of us.
That's kind of nice, so kind of reassuring.
Little nut chucks up there all the way.
Yeah, it's
nice.
nicely signed. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Just gotta get back for the canoe. We realized upon returning that our course on day 2 was an error when planning out our route. We were back on course now, and the Inukshuk's and fresh saw cuts were a welcome sign. Well, we made it through that portage, now on to the next one.
That one was nice.
Yeah, it was.
The portages go.
We got a bit of a tough landing zone here. It's kind of real boggy, so I'm trying to climb into the front of the canoe. There's a nice little... we're gonna throw that bag in and then try and get me out. If we can.
If we can. Get your paddle?
Yeah. Might need it, eh? We were able to make it through that muddy exit of the portage and start paddling to break up the many portages. We enjoyed the beautiful sunshine and the beautiful white clouds passing overhead as we made our way down to the next portage. Well, bit of a chunky landing here. And that looks to be a black bear print. You can see the claws up at the front there. But we're just trying to find the portage. Never marked. After finding the trail, we hauled our gear alongside the bank of this shallow river, slowly but surely making our way to the end of this portage. The last portage, it was rather long, eh?
Yeah, long, but a good path anyway.
Yeah, we got through it, and then we got another long portage ahead of us. We have about 450 meters ahead of us. So we gotta keep on going, then we'll be out to Arrow Lake. Wicked. We had another carry of our gear up a hill. When we came to the overlooking point at the end of the portage, we were surely in for a surprise. Hey bear! That's a good boy. Hey bear! Beautiful. I didn't realize they could be blonde like that. That is pretty cool. We just finished that portage and we're pretty pumped right now because we just saw a blonde grizzly bear.
Black bear.
Sorry, black bear, my bad. I thought it was a grizzly bear just by the color of it, but it looked too small. I know they're not in this area, so it was kind of weird. And we look over here. So I saw him right about there. And then Ron was behind me, so I kind of was quiet, told him to hold up that there was a bear there. But he kind of darted into the woods there, and then he started coming towards us.
Yeah, he looked like he was playfully running through the grass.
Yeah, and then he came almost that creek's edge right there, and then we decided to call out to him just because
yeah, we didn't want to frighten him.
Yeah,
fight or flight, so let him know you're coming.
Ron could have taken him though.
Oh, easy.
Yeah,
easy.
But yeah, that was pretty amazing. A little bit more paddling on this beautiful day. You can see the shallow water where the keel of our canoe was actually dragging in the muck, slowing us down on this short paddle.
All right, we're portaging around our last big white water. There it is. Wasn't enough water to carry an empty canoe.
No, there's still, this wasn't even marked as a portage.
That's what I'm saying.
But we have one more formal portage.
I'm gonna say the water is a little low.
But hopefully the fishing's good in April Lake. Okay, well, we had an additional impromptu portage there. We had to lift over about 50 feet of stuff. We're feeling kind of tired now. It's around 4:30. We're just hoping it's a straightforward paddle into April and Arrow Lake, and we can maybe get some food. All we've had is a granola bar.
Sure.
But we're gonna keep on slugging.
We're loving it.
We're loving it. The weather's great though.
Yeah.
It's sunny, warm. We really can't complain.
No.
It'd be a whole different story if it was rainy and cold. But it's sunny, warm, we're in the wilderness. We're killing it.
Saw the white bear.
Yeah, we saw a spirit bear, so we don't really have anything to complain about. We were pretty worn out after another long day of portaging and the previous day of bushwhacking. Luckily, we had some spectacular weather to rejuvenate us for the last paddle into Arrow Lake. We found a nice sand beach here on Arrow Lake, and we're just gonna set up camp for the night. We're kind of tired. We're gonna have dinner and then probably just call it a night. We're pretty tired and we can need our energy because we gotta start making headway. Talking about a blonde black bear.
Annual splash-a-thon.
Oh, I lost. After a little bit of splashing on the beach, we relaxed and enjoyed the beautiful sight of the sunset and got ourselves ready for the day we had ahead tomorrow.